Hello, young farmers. Welcome back to our farm. Today we're going to meet some fantastic farm animals and learn about what they do. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Chickens. Our first friend is the chicken. Can you say cluck, cluck? Chickens lay eggs, and they love to peck at grains on the ground. Watch them strut around the farmyard. Cows. Next up, we have the cow. Can you say moo? Cows are gentle creatures that provide us with milk. They spend their days grazing in the fields, enjoying the sunshine. Pigs. Say hello to the pig. Pigs are known for their hikes. They roll around the mud to cool off because they don't sweat. They're also great at finding truffles. Sheep. Look at fluffy sheep. Sheep say BA and have cozy wool that we use to make soft clothes. Watch them graze and follow each other in a line. Horses. Here comes the horse. Horses neigh and love to run. They help farmers pulling carts. Let's appreciate their strength and beauty. And that's a wrap for our farm friends today. We met chickens, cows, pigs, sheep, and horses. Remember their names and the cool things they do on the farm. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning. Until next time, happy farming!